everybody, welcome to another video on my channel. This weekend is the weekend to get in the holiday spirit. If you notice, I'm all merry and bright, yeah. So everybody, it is mid-November, so it's time to get the fruits ready to bake the Christmas cake, black cake, whatever you call it in your household. So I'm getting ready to get my fruit soaked, so I'm going to show you how I do it. It's a very simple process. I'm soaking my fruits now, and then when it maybe a couple days before I bake them, I'm going to steam them, and I'm going to show you that. But why do we do all of this? Why do we steam them? Why do we soak them? I'm going to explain the 3 reasons why we do it. So keep watching, and welcome if you're new. Welcome if you're returning. It's great to have you. Okay, keep watching, guys. Okay, guys, so the fruits that I'm using raisins. I'm going to use some currants, prunes, cherries, and this is mixed peel. I'm also going to use some red label, port wine, and white overproof rum. I'm going to be soaking them in this jar. It's a glass jar, so I'm going to show you how I do it. Okay, these are all I'm using. Okay, guys, so now I'm going to add in the fruits to my jar. The first one I'm going to add in is the 2 pounds of raisins. So, and I also want to highlight the first reason why we soak our fruits. So remember, the fruits are dried fruit, and soaking them in the wine or rum that we use, it rehydrates the fruits. It softens and plumps the fruits, which make the cake more juicier and moist. Next, I'm going to add in the prunes, the dried prunes. And I'm adding in some mixed peel. This is half cup of mixed peel. So a second reason why we really soak our fruits is it adds flavor. So soaking them in the wine and the rum and the whiskey, whatever alcohol you choose, it adds flavor to your cake, which add a richness and make your cakes tastier. And who would want tasty Christmas black cake? Okay, now I'm going to add in the currants. So guys, finally, when we soak our fruits, it also prevents the cake from getting dry. So you know, at Christmas time, usually people bake 3, 4, 5 cakes or more. That's a lot of cake. And soaking the fruits prevents your cake from being dried out too quickly. And I'm going to show you guys when I bake my cake. I'm also going to show you, because we also wine the cake after. So that's another process. So now I'm going to add in the cherries. So I have everything in. I'm adding in some rum. I'm just using 4 tablespoons of rum. And then when I'm baking, I'm adding some more rum at that time. I'm going to use the port wine, which is about half of the bottle of port wine. So it's mid-November now, and I'm going to allow this to soak until December, mid-December, which is going to be about a month. And then after maybe like a few days before, I'm going to steam the fruits. So after soaking them, then you're going to steam them, which is another part of the process which helps to make the fruit softer and more moist. Okay, so that's that. Everything is all covered in wine and rum, and then I'm going to cover it. Okay guys, so my fruits are all in the jar soaking, so the process has started. So it's gonna soak for a month, and then a few days before baking I'll steam and blend, and they will be ready for the Christmas cake. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video, and remember, it's always a vibe with Weekend Vibe with Jonette. Goodbye.
Afrobeat.